You better you better stay off my grass, boy. I warn ya. It says keep off grass.
Instead of eliminating the foot traffic, I can just build these grass pavers. Alright, so let me show you how to make these.
So what you want to do is measure 400 millimeters of wire, and then you want to nope. Wanna cut it. Just brush it all around. One and a quarter cup of cement. Two and a half cups of sand. Cups of sand. Just mix. And 1/3 of a cup times 2. 2/3. 2/3 of a cup. Is just fill each one of them a bit up. This is typically just the street. Now you would just want to vibrate all the bubbles out. Now we start with the concrete, and we add 1 cup, 1¼ cup of cement, 2½ cups of sand. And this is the half. 2½ of rock. So 1¼ cup of cement, 2½ sand, and 2½ rock.
And now we just mix. So I add 2/3 of a cup water to both.
up. Then we can add our last layer. Yeah, there you go. Everything is filled up. And now you just cover it with a piece of plastic and keep it out of the sun. Put it in a cool place. Now, you just cover it. If your concrete is cracking and drying out too quickly, just pour a little bit of water just around the casted parts, and then it will be fine. After a day of curing, now you can disassemble it and take it apart. When you demolded all your parts, then you can take your molds and just drop them into water and let them sit at least a day.
Subscribe if you want to see the progress on my grass.